Kuala Lumpur is really busy. It has so much energy. For me, it's like the perfect playground. I'm Abudi Alsagoff and I do parkour and freerunning. I think the most important thing about being a freerunner is you can't be afraid of heights. Right now I'm in Putrajaya. Putrajaya, to me personally, it's very special because it used to be my playground when we started off training. The coolest thing about freerunning is pretty much do it anywhere. I love freerunning because it's different from other sports and there's no set of rules to it. It's all about your creativity and all about your own pace in learning. It's very free. Hey guys, so right now we are in the center with the 3 towers in my background. One more. After I land a big stunt, it feels really amazing. You learn how to be able to do some things that is, for me, out of the ordinary.